Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is the tutorial on the MySQL where I'm going to give you some insights on how to query the data on SQL language. So SQL is a simple query language where you can write queries and manipulate the data as per the requirement. Okay, so let's begin. The current screen that you are seeing is the home page of MySQL Workbench. So I hope you have already this installed on your machine, or also you can try it out some online platforms where you can directly use or write the SQL queries. Okay, so I'll just clear the stuff on my current screen and I will quickly walk you through the different columns as in a different aspects or object into the workspace. Okay, the schemas, the first one comes is schemas is the collection of databases where you can have access to different data sources or different databases. You can export external SQL or Excel file and name it as the in the terms of table, and you can export this. Or if you do not have any databases installed, you can simply create the databases, like create database and just name it XYZ and just hit on the run button and your database will be created like this. If you just refresh this, you will see XYZ is been created into the database. So this is how you can create the database into the SQL. Okay, so now we do not have any table or any content inside our database, so we will not be able to see anything present in the datasets. If we extract simply to the XYZ, you will see tables, views, store procedure, functions, the four important things that we look or we write the query on. We do not have any tables, we do not have any views created under this. So this is how you can create. If you want to create in a database, then you can simply write the create database and write a name of database. So this is how you can create the database. But now we do not need to create anything on our database, right? So we will try to access the different databases, so we can simply show or write another query, right? So for example, we have the first data set, it is a Shakila database, so we will just try to call it out, use database Shakila. Just try it out, I'm not sure about the query. Sakila, okay. And no need to write dataset, I think we can directly go ahead and run this. Yeah, so Sakila is been extracted automatically, right? So show tables, just see what will become out. So if you don't know the tables into the database, you can simply write a query to show tables, and here you can see the different data sets already loaded or present into the your database. Okay, so if you are unaware about the different content or different tables into the data set or database, then you can directly run this command like show tables, and then you can see that all list of the tables which is currently present into the database. Okay, now we will try to fetch the tables, right? Just we don't know what is the information available in the first table. The name is actor, but we don't know what exactly inside actor, and we need to know. Then we will write the query select star from actor, and we will simply run this query. Okay, so the last one is not closest. Okay, so here in output you can see directly the table is already loaded. Table actor, actor id, first name, last update. So this is the column names and table contents you can see inside the actor table. Now let's see, we have to find a particular record in this actor table, and we don't know if it is present in the table or not. Okay, for example, we want to find the actor whose name is Grace, all actor name whose name is Grace from our table. Then what we will do, we will write another query. Let me walk you through that. Then select star from actor. We will use a class name where, we will use a where clause, where first name is equal to Grace. This is one of the way to find out all the records with the first name Grace. Let's see what comes out. Yeah, it came. There are multiple ways to find out the records like this. You can use like function or like word to find out Grace name. If you have multiple names, then you can use, for example, I will just write this command. Now let's say we have to find first name Nick and Grace. So in this situation, what we will do, we will use like keyword, and in bracket we will type a name Grace and Nick. Yeah, that's it. So if you have multiple name, you can just keep adding multiple names. Okay, the output is showing some error, so let's see what is the error. Okay, so it will not work with like, because like will use when we have to search a certain pattern throughout the column. So instead of like, we will use in keyword. Okay, so let's run this, and boom, answer is in our output. You can see with Nick we have total 3 records, and with Grace we have only 1 record. So this is how you can write the queries. Now I will show you how you can create a virtual table, right? So there is a simple command. Let's see, I need this information repeatedly in my task. Then I will create a virtual table to access this information. I will simply write another command where I can simply write create table, and so you can create a virtual table to access it repeatedly. I will just write a create table query. Create table, table name will be emp or actor name as. That's it. Just need to run this command, and you're done. You can simply call out actor name and you can see the result. Select star from actor name, command finish, So just run this command and you can see the same table again. Yeah, isn't it is cool? So I just try to give you some basics of SQL, how you can write a query. So in coming videos I will show you more video on this, more concept I will try to call out here. And if you like this video, hit a thumbs up and subscribe, and yeah, you can share your thoughts in the comment section so that I can try that in my next video. So till that, take care, bye bye.